It's time to switch gears and take a look at the VeeCAN 300R. It's as round as it is interesting, and yes, it's very round. The 300R brings gauges of the past into present day, boasting a classic chrome bezel paired with a vibrant and responsive circular touchscreen. This display is perfect for any system, including on-vehicle HMI solutions for autonomous or EV applications, CAN-based data logging, or even an electronic picture frame for your desk. I/O on this display looks a little different when compared to that of the VeeCAN 700, as the 300R uses two Deutsch connectors. This provides a variety of options such as analog inputs, digital outputs, two CAN buses, and supports RS-232 communication. This display also has a USB connection used again for data logging and software reflash. For more details on these specific resources, visit our product wiki and access the datasheet for this unit. It's time to take a look at the application on this device. This is the template application yet again, supporting a different set of features when compared to the 700 app. I am still able to control the brightness and engine speed directly over CAN to display on the screen. As we swipe through a few more pages, you can see that this application has additional screens, one for live data and the other for informational text. All in all, both of these displays are technical powerhouses and capable of controlling or monitoring any system. The Raptor display library is easy to use and provides the user freedom to generate any type of display their mind can create. I hope you enjoyed learning about our Raptor displays. Make sure to like and subscribe as we bring more content from our team to yours. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.